Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Suzuki Boulevard C50. This 800cc VTwin just arrived with only 4,307 miles on the odometer. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, shaft drive VTwin cruiser. It's got the touring windscreen, nice low seat height, floorboards, and best of all, shaft drive, so no chain to mess with. Come on by, make your lightweight VTwin cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.